Azure Data Engineering Roadmap, 5 minutes. If you want to become an Azure Data Engineer and don't know where to start, this video will give you a complete roadmap in just 5 minutes. No confusion, no unnecessary tools, just what actually matters for jobs and interviews. Section 1. Foundations. Before touching Azure tools, you must understand the basics of data. First, SQL. This is non-negotiable. You should be comfortable with joins, group by, subqueries, and window functions. Next, basic Python, mainly for data handling. Then, understand ETL versus ELT and what structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data means. Also learn basic cloud concepts like IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. If your SQL is weak, stop here and fix it first, otherwise Azure tools won't make sense. Section 2. Core Azure Services. Now let's move into the core Azure services, the heart of Azure Data Engineering. First is Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2, also called ADLS. This is where raw and processed data lives. You'll work with formats like CSV, JSON, and Parquet, and follow folder structures like bronze, silver, and gold. Next is Azure Data Factory, or ADF. ADF is mainly used for data ingestion and orchestration. You'll learn pipelines, linked services, datasets, triggers, and parameterization. Remember this: ADF moves data, it doesn't transform heavy data. Section 3. Data Processing. For heavy data transformation, Azure uses Databricks. Databricks is built on Apache Spark. Here you'll use PySpark or SQL to clean, join, and transform large datasets. You'll read data from ADLS, apply transformations, and write it back, often using Delta Lake for updates and merges. If you want jobs in Azure Data Engineering, Databricks is extremely important. Section 4. Data Warehousing and Analytics. Next comes Analytics and Reporting. Azure uses Synapse Analytics for data warehousing. You'll learn about dedicated SQL pools and serverless SQL and how to design star schemas. Finally, you'll connect your data to Power BI to create dashboards. You don't need to become a Power BI expert, just understand how data flows into reports. Section 5. Real-world concepts. Now let's talk about what interviewers really care about. You must understand medallion architecture, incremental data loads, slowly changing dimensions, partitioning, cost optimization, security, and monitoring. These concepts turn a beginner into a real data engineer. Section 6. DevOps and Certification. In real projects, everything is version controlled. So learn Git integration in ADF and Databricks, dev, test, and prod environments, basic CI/CD concepts. You can also prepare for the DP-203 Azure Data Engineer certification, which validates all these skills. Section 7. Project and Final Flow. One strong project matters more than 10 certificates. A simple end-to-end project looks like this: source to ADF, to ADLS, to Databricks, to Synapse, to Power BI. If you understand this flow, you understand Azure Data Engineering. That's your complete Azure Data Engineering roadmap in 5 minutes. Focus on hands-on practice, build one solid project, and master SQL plus Databricks. If you want a 30-day study plan, project idea, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching the video, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.